Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Michelle, and today we are going to paint hydrangeas using a dagger striper brush. Let's begin. We're going to start by dipping our brush into this peacock blue and then brushing it against permanent violet. We're going to slide the brush against the paper, keeping the center of the brush fixed and just the rest of the body sliding sidewards. Okay. Each flower would have 4 petals, so we're going to repeat this 4 times. You don't have to load your brush for every petal, but if you feel that the brush is dry, then you can go ahead and rinse it and then do the steps again, dipping it into the blue wash that we have here, and then brushing it against permanent violet. Okay, so I've rinsed the brush and now I'm going to dip it again in peacock blue. Brush it against permanent violet. Okay. Then for the second flower, position it beside the first one. Okay. Then later on, we're going to fill in with flowers behind these the main ones that we've painted. Okay. So I'm going to rinse the brush again and then dip it again in peacock blue. For the third one, we're going to position it below these two, and if you look closely, you will notice that the brush actually has one side that is straight and the other side which is a bit curved. When you're sliding your brush, it's better if you do if you slide towards the flat side. That's why, if you can see, I'm adjusting the angle of my hand since I can't move the paper, so that I am always brushing towards the flat side. Okay. Now we're going to speed this up a bit. Now for the stem and the leaves, I'm going to use olive green, and I'm using a size 8 round brush for this. We're going to position the stem a bit on the side, okay, and it's going to be a bit curved so it looks more natural. Okay, just soft stroke downward. Then I'm going to outline the center of the first leaf. I'm going to use the same color, olive green, and we'll just work upwards from that center line. Now, for the other side, I'm going to make it a bit narrower so that the leaf looks naturally flowing from the upper part of the stem and not just facing us flat. Now the second leaf would be on the right side, and it's going to be a bit smaller than the first one. Okay, again, just working from the center line for the first side, and then the other side would be a bit narrower. Okay, and then maybe we'll add one more on the left so that the whole piece looks more balanced. And this one would be a bit behind, so it's going to be a bit smaller. Okay, there you go. Okay, so we're going to add some details, just dipping again our brush on olive green and then just adding that center line on the leaves so that they would look more defined. Okay, there, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button.